Man United 2, Haiti 0.
Fire here. Cunha of Manchester United, of course.
What a finish! What a finish! What a...
Saved by XQC. Rebounds and it's 1-0. Cunha scores. 1-0 Brazil. 1-0 Brazil. To be fair, the goalkeeper saves the initial shot there from Vinny. But it comes back and it's a goal. I'm wearing the Haitian shirt, brother. Brazil 1-0 up against Haiti. Bruno Guimaraes with a pass. Vinny Jr. gets past Delcroix and Duvern. He takes a shot from a tight angle. It's saved, and they just can't defend the rebound there, and Brazil are 1-0 up.
Shot straight at the keeper. And they've scored. Brazil have scored now. And it is Cunha doing his surfboard celebration. And they've breached the Haiti goal in the 23rd minute. The Brazilian subs have run on the pitch like they've scored the winner in the FA Cup final here. World Cup final. The relief is palpable.
Yeah, Vinicius Junior. Vinicius, saved! And it's in again, and it's a goal! Matisse Cunha! I told you lot! Hey! Matisse Cunha! Vamos, lift off in Brazil. I told you Matisse Cunha was going to score. You didn't listen to me. Matisse Cunha, jogador. Que golaço. Anticipated it. Was ready. Come on. There we go. Matisse Cunha of Manchester United.
Get too far out wide. You can still cut in. Oof! Paqueta! Meaty goal, but we'll take those. Vinny once again. Who's that? Cunha. I'll take those. We'll take those. Vinny once again. We'll take those, fam. We take those. Any day. Meaty goal, but shit. Vinny, bro. It's all Vinny once again, bro.
Intercepted. Vinny Jr. Counter-attack. Oi, Cunha, please miss. He scores. Here we go. Man United 2, Haiti 0. Dumbass celebration. Look at the Brazilians showing off that they have 5 World Cups against Haiti.
Goal 2. What a finish. He's done it again. He's on fire here. Cunha of Manchester United, of course. Makes it 2. And he took that one very, very well. Roofed it. Left-hand side of the goal. I mean, to be fair to Haiti, they're not parking the bus, are they? They're playing quite a high line there. And it allows Brazil just to slip it in. And Cunha with the left foot roofs it.
Go on, here we go. 3v3. Vinicius Jr. has got Cunha. Cunha, finish it, Cunha. Oh my God, Matisse Cunha! Matisse Cunha! What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Matisse Cunha. Matisse Cunha. Matisse Cunha. Are you mad? Are you mad? What did I say to you? What did I say to you guys? Matisse Cunha. King.
This is you. Goal! What a goal! What a goal! Yeah, that's our number 9. 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 I don't want to hear no more chattings. That's our number 9. What a finish! What a finish! What a finish! Oh my days! Vinny assist! Vinny assist! Hey, blow! I told you he was getting a goal before halftime. I told you he was getting a goal before halftime. What a finish! That's our number 9. It's stamped. I'm sorry, Hendrik, bro. I'm sorry, Hendrik.
And supporting my national team. Oh, Vinny makes it 3-0. Yeah, it's over. It's over. He's doing aura celebrations. Yeah, it's over for you. It's over, Caster. It's over. It's over, Caster.
All the muscle now. Vinicius Jr. for 3-0. And he makes it 3-0. I think the keeper there was like the invisible man. I mean, just stand better there.
Vinny's in. Vinny's in. Vinny, it's your time now to score. Vinny, oh, 3-0. Brazil are on smoke. Brazil are on smoke. Brazil have returned. Brazil have turned out tonight. Vinicius Jr. And it's 3-0, man. We're cooking tonight. Haiti are cooking tonight.
Yeah, they're saying. Oh, Vinny's through. Vinny, you're through. Open your body up. 3-0 is over. Go to the corner flag, bang the skank. Go to the corner flag, bang the skank. Oh my days, the cello's even cold. I told you, man, about my boy Finito. I told you, man, about my boy Finito. Oh, I thought he was gonna go to the corner flag and hit his little. You get me? But oh my, bro, I'm telling you right now. If stay on that side. All of you, man, that was giving Brazil chattings, stay